Hello, welcome to iMovie support channel. Sometimes, if you want to mirror music or video on your device to computer but don't know how to do, please don't worry, AnyTrans can help you. In this video, we will introduce the screen mirroring function to you. Please open AnyTrans installed on your computer. Please click screen mirroring option. Then please connect your device and computer to the same Wi-Fi. Once your iOS device and computer connect to the same Wi-Fi, please go to Control Center on your device, and then tap AnyTrans. After connection, AnyTrans can mirror the screen of your device on computer at once. If you want to terminate this mirror, please click Stop Mirroring button. Thank you for watching this video.